Hey there, Truehost Academy community. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing a powerful way to boost your income online affiliate marketing on Pinterest in 2024. If you're looking to monetize your Pinterest presence, stick around. We've got some actionable tips for you. Pinterest is more than just a place to find your next DIY project or recipe. It's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. With millions of users searching for inspiration and products, it's the perfect platform to share your affiliate links. Let's get started with the first step, identifying your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Pinterest users look for specific ideas and inspiration, so focusing on a niche helps you target your audience effectively. Think about what you're passionate about. Home decor, fashion, and DIY crafts are some of the most popular niches on Pinterest. Explore trending topics and popular pins in your chosen niche to find what works. For example, if you love home decor, look for ideas on decorating small spaces or DIY home projects. This targeted approach helps you attract followers interested in what you offer. Next, let's talk goals. Set SMART goals for your Pinterest affiliate marketing. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals keep you focused. For example, aim to reach a certain number of clicks or conversions within a set time frame. Balance short-term goals like increasing weekly clicks with long-term goals such as building a loyal following or increasing overall revenue. Use Pinterest analytics tools to track your performance and adjust your strategy based on what's working. To start earning, join an affiliate program or network. Choose programs that align with Pinterest's audience, like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. These platforms offer products that Pinterest users love. When applying, highlight your experience and how you plan to promote their products. Once accepted, you'll get unique affiliate links to use in your pins. Research is key. Understand who your target audience is and what they're interested in. Analyze what successful competitors are doing and learn from their strategies. Understanding Pinterest's algorithm and best practices will also help you optimize your posts. Use high-quality images and relevant keywords to make your pins discoverable. Content is king. Create a content hub on your website where all your posts live. Offer value with tutorials, guides, and product reviews. Use keywords to help Pinterest users find your pins and click through to your site. Pins should be visually appealing and link back to your website. Creating a Pinterest business account is straightforward. Sign up, fill in your business name, website, and choose relevant categories. Optimize your profile with a clear picture and a keyword-rich bio. Ensure your website link leads directly to your affiliate products or blog posts. Visuals matter. Use tools like Canva to design eye-catching pins. Keep designs simple. Use bold fonts and vibrant colors. Pinterest favors vertical images, so use an aspect ratio of 2:3. High-quality, mobile-optimized images work best. Craft compelling titles and descriptions for your pins. Use relevant keywords for better discoverability and always disclose your affiliate relationships clearly. Test different placements for your affiliate links to see what drives the most engagement. Plan your posts with a content calendar. Balance promotional content with engaging, non-promotional posts to keep your audience interested. Use Pinterest features like story pins and video pins to creatively showcase your affiliate products. Join relevant group boards and collaborate with other Pinterest users. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Building relationships encourages trust and increases the likelihood of users clicking through your affiliate links. Use Pinterest analytics to monitor your progress. Focus on metrics like click-through rates, saves, and conversions. Tools like Bitly and Google Analytics can help track affiliate link clicks. Adjust your strategy based on this data to optimize your efforts. That's it for today. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage Pinterest for affiliate marketing in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips and tricks on growing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.